The fact that they've been sleeping there is so crazy. Should I post it and see?
Oh my god.
She's looking.
Oh my god, she's looking.
Yeah.
She can't see anything.
Oh no, here comes so many of them.
What do you want from me?
That's James Cameron.
No one shot a concert film on this scale before.
Why aren't you scared of me? How you feeling tonight? Where do we go?
We're using tech that's never been used before.
Can't wait.
So you're right.
It's gonna be loud.
Duh.
You told me you carried a lot of pain with you throughout the tour.
Yes. Do you see the scrapes on my hands? That is from the fans. Here I go.
And what are you thinking right now? What are you feeling?
I'm trying my best.
That note from Phineas made me cry. It's gonna be my first show ever without him.
When am I the greatest?
It's been the joy of my life to travel the world with you. No one does it like you do. Love, Pinch.
I will always stand up for you and I will always fight for you.
It wipes one out.
When am I the greatest?
Tour is so brutal. I like to have a puppy room to like go chill in.
I'm doing this on my next movie for sure.
Right?